Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Google Tags Manager in 2026. Want advanced tracking on your Wix site? Google Tag Manager is the key. So let's connect it by following these few simple steps. First thing to do is to create a Google Tag Manager container. And to do that, you're going to go to Google Tag Manager and make sure you create an account. You can link your account right here, and then you're going to go to Google Tags. Then you're going to enter the account name and website and choose the web page. And after that, you're going to copy your GTM ID, all this from here. And then you're going to open the Wix settings. You're going to go back to the Wix dashboard. You're going to go to manage.wix.com and make sure to log in with your Wix account, either by using Google or your Wix account. And then you're going to go to your Wix dashboard, and in the left sidebar, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see settings. And in the settings, you're going to scroll also until you find development and integration. And you're going to click on marketing tag integration right here. From here, you're going to connect to Google Tag Manager. You're just going to look for the Google tag right here. As you can see, it is a new feature. So make sure to click on it. You're going to have to finish setting up your website in the Wix to be able to click on the connect button. Once you do that, you're going to paste your GTM ID and then you're going to save. Click on save, and then you're going to publish your site. You can publish in Wix, and changes won't work without publishing. So make sure to publish. And in the end, you can test it. You can open the Google Tags Manager preview mode and visit your site and check if GTM is firing. Make sure to never install the GTM manually and always publish after changes. And use one GTM container only. And that's it. Google Tag Manager is now connected to Wix. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.